Office District School Education Officer Ribhoi District Mentakasi ke Arphusan Tarik Uyayong kalapan long ke program District Level Science, Mathematics and Environment for Children Halor Kapang Technology and Toys ya kabalapan long Ribhoi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Nongpoh. Lakumba pratri ki school ki bana po ka district kilawan ban Shim Bynta ban nakaliang ka office DSEO kala samru ya ki khusnam ki nongjob ha ka ba ka St Paul High Secondary School Nongpoh kala long ka nongjob bat ka Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpoh kalawan ha ka kerdan ka baar bat ka Don Bosco High Secondary School Bernihat kalawan ha ka kerdan ka balai bat ki nongjob ha ka ni exhibition ki yo ban mikmat ya ka district syaka state level. Hakani kasni lawan bansa Khillang dekakong Parulin L. Nongrai District School Education Officer, Ubabu W. Radu, Principal RBP High Secondary School, Kinong Hikai, Lambat Kikhana School.
So they are the main part of the program. Okay? Next. Thank you the students who are here. Because of you that the program it is going well. And thank you for you that you bring the model, which is very attractive. It attracts me a lot when I come along with Sir Director to check this model. Okay? And next thing, especially for those students who are very clear explaining about their model, their chat, extract, and answer the question very well. And thank you for those who are not doing well also. But your presentation is the main thing. That next time, when you come back for exhibition, you can do well. Okay? So, why we organize science exhibition in the district? Not only for selection to go to the state level and to the national level, but keep it in mind that we want the students, we want the schools to show their talent, to show their ideas, because we have...
Okay, start. Good afternoon, everyone. The title of the project is Automatic Zebra Crossing. So zebra crossing is a place on the road marked with black and white strips where cars have to stop so that people can walk across. But in India especially, the drivers are not careful with the driving and accidents do occur in zebra crossing as well. So it is very important that some innovation should be done. So the students of St. Paul has come up with the idea of automatic zebra crossing. This automatic zebra crossing is made with the idea of the escalators which are found in the big malls, which is a moving staircase that carries the people between the floors of a building or structure. It moves in a vertical direction. So another type of escalators are found on Delhi airports, known as travel people across a horizontal plane over a short to medium distance. The travelators are built on the idea of moving belt. These are built using mesh metal belt or rubber walking surface over metal roller. Our zebra crossing is also made on the idea of moving belt. The materials which we have used to make our model is cardboard. Then we have plastic pipes which acts as roller, motor, battery and switch. And we also had a chart paper which acts as a belt. So when the red light will be on, the barricade will automatically be raised, thereby preventing any flow of vehicles so people can move across from one side of the road to another easily. And at that time our automatic zebra crossing also will start working and it will transport people smoothly and fast over a short to medium distance. Now, this type of zebra crossing can, if installed in our state, in our country, it can help many accidents to be checked or controlled. And this type of zebra crossing should also be included in the smart city project of India, such as Guwahati, Shillong, Ahmedabad, Surat, and so on. And I also personally feel that this type of zebra crossing should also be implemented in our state, even in our area, so that a lot of accidents can be checked or controlled. Thank you.